Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be explaining where this world is changing and what is the next big thing that we are going to see in this world. So stick to me, this video is really important and this video is going to be really important for your career and for your future. So my name is Arun Sharma and I am a business consultant. So whenever we try to look around what is actually happening in the world, it becomes really difficult because we cannot actually predict future, what is going to happen in tomorrow or in near future. We cannot actually do that, but we can certainly sense that is going to happen in the future, or the big thing that is going to occur, which has already shown so much appreciation, so much interest and so much hype, that I would say. So that is artificial intelligence, and uh, I'm really impressed by this fact that everybody is talking about it, and everything is being implemented in such a way so that it can be worked, or it can be optimized in such a way so that it works with artificial intelligence. So let me just try to understand, and let me just try to give you an overview how does it work and what is actually happening in the world. So first of all, every sector is changing into AI, or every sector has working so that they can introduce artificial intelligence into their surroundings. For example, marketing team also using artificial intelligence. Now sales team is also using artificial intelligence. And when we talk about promotions, it's been a while that these promotional activities and pop-ups, advertisements, they have been using this artificial intelligence. So, and industries are also taken away with this artificial intelligence, that for example, before we would never imagine um, industry which is for example, metal industry, steel industry would ever use artificial intelligence to increase their efficiency or their sales. They would never do that. But nowadays it is not just about internet companies, it is about every company, so that they can collect data, they can improve their things faster. And the reason why these companies are using it, and before I tell you that, what should you do now, what can you take from this learning, what can you do right now, because everybody is talking about it and everybody is doing something with this artificial intelligence. And I see every single day, because I read a lot of articles, government articles, and I also read startup ideas. So every single startup is being made in such a way so that they can utilize more and more artificial intelligence into their basics. So couple of days ago I was reading about a security startup. It is not about cyber security, it is about normal security, for building security, apartment security services, and so on. And they utilized artificial intelligence to predict how they can secure things much faster. And nowadays I see that people are working so that they can predict when a human being, whether this human being is emotional, is happy. So it can also detect your emotional status. And I also read about that people are working to predict weather, or also they can also make changes into the weather, so that it can actually predict weather, and it can actually make future predictions, what is going to happen with the weather. Although we do have this technology, we do have this kind of thing, but still it is not that accurate that AI will make it so, which is pretty big thing. So why exactly these people are talking about, and why exactly industries are working on it so that they implement this into their organization, into their daily routine work. So it is really important, because nowadays people or customer satisfaction is all about data. When you know your customers, when you know your organization, when you know your employees, that means you can be more effective with your sales, you can be more effective with your marketing strategies, because you can target customers, you can also target your clients, your shareholders. So it is really important that you have data, that you understand what they are actually doing, what they are actually um what is happening with them. So in order to collect these data, every company is utilizing artificial intelligence. They're actually implementing artificial intelligence into their system, into their organization. So I think that you should invest some time to learn these technologies, because everybody is talking about it, and I'm sure this is going to be a next big thing. And I have learned a couple of things about artificial intelligence, how does it work, and how we can actually utilize these things, and how can we implement these things into the organization and other places. But it is not enough, and I'm I'm curious enough to learn more and more about this artificial intelligence. So I'm sure you guys are aware about it. If you are not, make yourself available to learn more about these artificial intelligence technologies, applications, what we can do, and predictive intelligence, human recognition, voice recognition, and assistance, and so on. There are so many applications, and that is upgradation, which is really important in artificial intelligence. So I read about these, and do let me know if you did not understand anything in this video. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions, and thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.